Hello, my name is Joel Straz, Health Officer with the Bay County Health Department, and today is Tuesday, April 13th, and here's your weekly update for COVID-19 and the status of the COVID vaccine here in Bay County, Michigan. The honest assessment of the current status of the virus here in Bay County is very concerning. The test positivity rate today is 21%. Admissions for COVID at McLaren Bay region remain high as well, and Michigan still has the highest rates of infection throughout the nation. These numbers reflect much of the surge that had occurred in November and December of last year. So what is different? First, the highly transmissible variants like the B117 and the P1 variant are spreading quickly throughout the population, especially when the majority of all confirmed cases come from persons under the age of 35. Secondly, while we're not seeing as high of a caseload from persons over the age of 60, this age group and persons with underlying health conditions still make up the bulk of hospitalizations and severe illness. So it's important for everyone to know the risks that they may encounter with the virus and the risk they may present to others. The simple fact of the matter is that young adults and adolescents are much less likely to practice distancing, masking, and avoiding crowded spaces. They are also much less likely to be vaccinated. Even though we are making progress on vaccination, over 61,000 doses have been administered to local residents this week. We are not done. We need everyone to do their part. Wear a mask, watch your distance, wash your hands, and avoid crowded, unventilated spaces. And most importantly, when you get a chance to get vaccinated, take it. The Bay County Health Department and its partner providers have administered over 61,000 vaccines in Bay County, and 41% of the adult population has received at least one dose of the vaccine. This week, the Health Department will continue to provide over 2,500 doses of vaccine through our clinics at Delta College, and we will be back this Saturday at the Bay County Community Center. For all of these clinics, you still must have an appointment. The best way to get an appointment for a vaccination is to register by going to our website at www.baycounty-mi.gov/health/COVID-19. We also highly encourage you to register with our partner providers, Walgreens, Rite Aid, Kroger's, Meijer's, and now Walmart. You should also check with your own medical provider to see if they are offering the vaccine. The increased numbers of cases have presented a burden for our investigation staff, and as a result, with nearly 100 cases per day, we cannot simply reach out to everyone identified as a positive case. We will be reaching out to every case 18 and below, as well as to seniors. The one way that you can help us is to use the case self-reporting form found at the link below on the Bay County website. On this form, you can self-report onset dates, close contacts, and other pertinent information to help us combat the virus. By reporting online, you can hasten the quarantine notifications, and this may help quicken the time that you spend in isolation or quarantine. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration and the Centers for Disease Control have issued a joint recommendation to pause administration of the Johnson & Johnson Janssen vaccine. Per these recommendations, the Health Department will not be providing the Johnson & Johnson vaccine until further notice. We are working to either reschedule previously planned clinics or provide the Pfizer vaccine in its place. It's important to note that more than 6.8 million doses of the J&J vaccine have been administered in the United States to date. CDC and FDA are reviewing data involving 6 reported cases of an extremely rare type of blood clot in individuals after receiving the J&J vaccine. CDC will convene a meeting of the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices on Wednesday, April 14th, to further review these cases and assess their potential significance. FDA will review that analysis as it also investigates these cases. Until that process is complete, the Bay County Health Department will pause in the use of this vaccine out of an abundance of caution, and will release more information about future J&J clinics as it becomes available. But right now, these adverse events appear to be extremely rare, and there have not been any reported adverse events in Bay County after the administration of the J&J vaccine. COVID-19 vaccine safety is a priority for all vaccine providers, and we are assured that the data is being reviewed swiftly by the experts. The Bay County Health Department will continue to provide Pfizer COVID-19 vaccination products at clinics previously scheduled. That's it for this week. As the situation changes often, keep an eye on the website and the county YouTube channel. Stay safe and healthy.